As the Lunar New Year celebrations come to an end, Taiwan lights up with the Taoyuan Lantern Festival, a dazzling blend of tradition and modern innovation. Rooted in the Red Lantern Festival, which marks the final day of the Lunar New Year, this event has transformed into an immersive spectacle of vibrant light displays, interactive installations, and artistic creations, living the past in modern times. A theme that bridges tradition and innovation. Each year, the festival embraces a unique theme, and in 2025, Taoyuan proudly hosts Light Connect All, symbolizing unity and the fusion of heritage with modern technology. The festival beautifully executes this theme, showcasing Taiwanese culture, history, and traditions through the dragon-themed lanterns and iconic red lantern displays, reflecting the country's deep-rooted heritage while embracing modern creativity. Convenient location and accessibility. Conveniently located just west of Taipei and home to Taiwan's main international airport, Taoyuan is easily accessible by train, bus, or metro, making it a convenient destination for both locals and international visitors looking to immerse themselves into the festivities.
Maligayang pagdating sa Taiwan. Salamat po.
Events experience and organization. The festival is well organized, handling a large volume of attendees with efficient crowd control and helpful guides. The festive atmosphere is lively, with everyone enjoying the fun, games, and activities like writing wishes on lanterns. However, the lack of English signage makes it hard for tourists to navigate. Its large scale is challenging for young children and the elderly. Weekend warning. Due to large crowds, weekends are not ideal for visiting. Expect long transport lines, crowded restaurants, and delays at the event. For a smoother experience, visit on weekdays instead.
Festival highlights. The 18-meter tall Paradise Lantern stands with dazzling lights and dynamic projections. Lights Playground features interactive exhibits, including the 9-meter tall Home Lantern, celebrating Taiwan's rich cultural heritage. A feast for the senses. Visually, the festival is stunning, with intricately designed lanterns and mesmerizing light displays that captivate visitors. The festival also offers a wide variety of food, from oyster omelets, crispy popcorn chicken, tanghulu, and boba milk tea, adding to the lively atmosphere. However, most food options are fried, healthier choices somewhat limited. The 2025 Taoyuan Lantern Festival is an authentic celebration of Taiwan's culture, history, and heritage, seamlessly blending tradition with innovation. It is a must-visit event, particularly for those who appreciate technology-enhanced cultural experiences. Go on a weekday for a stress-free experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cultural adventures. This is Happy Rabbit, living the past modern times.